Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do this hairstyle, which is 2 French braids with messy buns at the back. If you'd like to learn how to do this hairstyle, just keep watching and remember to hit that subscribe button and the alarm bell to be notified when we post new videos. Alright, so today we're going to be using a brush. Again, I've said it before, I really like the wet brush brand. Okay, read in your mind, okay? And then we'll use a comb just to get the part down the middle. Her hair is a little flyaway, so I'll generally finish off with some hairspray. I use Tresemme, but whatever kind you use. And then rubber bands, same ones I've used in my last video, but I will tag those below again. And then, of course, bows. We're going to a gender reveal party, so we are representing the pink and blue today. So I'm gonna start out by taking the comb, and I dip it in water if I'm not by a sink, just to help me get her hair a little more manageable. I don't like the real slicked back look personally. Like, I know a lot of toddler hairstyles, they'll use like a hair taffy or something. I don't prefer that look. Nothing wrong with it. It's just my personal preference. So I generally just use water and then a little hairspray at the end. So I'm going to take I'm going to take the comb right down the middle of her hair until I have a part, again, right down the middle. I'm just going to use a rubber band and section off one side in a quick little pigtail just to keep it out of the way. And then, can you look up front, Sissy? Good job. And then I will start on this side of the hair, okay? So, again, I'll use a little water just to keep this side manageable. So I can start working with it. So my number one tip when dealing with toddler hair that is true toddler, really fine, kind of thin hair, when you're doing a French braid, is to only, even if it's like a normal French braid, it's to only French braid one half of it. And the reason for that is you're able to have so much more hair and it's easier to work with than the tiny pieces if you are trying to French braid by both sides. I found that my kids' hair stays 10 times more or longer if I do it that way, because I'm actually getting the hair into the braid. So that's what I'll do now. So I'm going to start off. Good job, sis. You want a new one? Yeah. All right. There you go. Good job. Okay, look at your book. So I'm going to start off with a little piece of hair right at the front. You only want a little section. So you're going to take the hair into 3 parts and you're going to start braiding. And again, you're only braiding half of this hair. So you're going to braid just like you would the first 2 strands, and then you're going to gather more hair from the bottom and then put it over just like you normally would, and then bring over the other side without adding hair to it. And this is how you are going to continue all the way back to the back. One of the key things is to keep this tight as much as you can as you're moving back. And you're just going to keep gathering hair on this side and then braiding it, not gathering it on the inside piece of the braid. And just keep going. You're making faces. You're making faces. Good job. Good job. And just keep going back, keep going back. And I am, for this little bun look in the back, I'm only going to braid about halfway. So I'm going to stop braiding when I reach the back of her head. So what I'll do, can you look down for me? Good job. is I'll gather a pretty good chunk of hair from the back of her head, and then I'm gonna stop right here. So you'll see it looks just like a French braid, but I didn't gather hair from this side. Not many people will ever even notice the difference. It's gonna look like you French braided their hair, but you'll be able to, again, manage the hair a lot easier. So once you reach the back, you're going to go ahead and ponytail that off, okay? Say hi.
Hi.
Can you tell them your name?
My orange.
Your name's not Orange. How old are you?
2.
2. So now look down. You have a braid and then a pigtail. And you can leave it like this if you want. If you want the little pigtail look. I do that sometimes too. I think it's really cute. But if you want the little bun look, you're going to change.
Whoa.
All right. Good job. Okay. So now, you want to look at your bows?
Yeah.
There you go. You are going to take your little pigtail and you're just going to wrap, look down, you're just going to wrap it around, okay?
Okay.
So you're just going to like start it and then wrap it around, and then you're going to take your rubber band and you're going to have a cute little bun. Look down. Good job. So now that you have that little bun, you're going to just, if you want it to be a little poofier and like the little messy bun look, you're just going to pull pieces out. And then what I'll do a lot of times is I'll get a bobby pin and I'll just stick that bobby pin in so that it'll hold like these little flyaways. But we have one side done. So good job, sis. Look, can you get closer? Stand up. All right, and then look down. Oh, see? And so again, this is a French braid where you only French braid this half. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing for the other side.
My butt.
Your butt. Can you tell them your name again?
Blue.
Your name's not Blue. And again, I keep a cup of water here so I can redip my comb just to get her hair wet again. All right, sit down. Woohoo, good
I
job.
want that.
All right, so we're almost done. So we're gonna start it exactly how we did. So you let down this side of the ponytail. You're gonna grab a little piece of hair from the front. And I will say probably the biggest thing when you're doing toddler hair is to keep them entertained. So she was looking at books, and be patient. Now I've done their hair literally every day since they've been born. So they are pretty, they're pretty used to getting it done, so they sit fairly well. But if you can get them to entertained, it'll be a lot easier for you. All right, so we're gonna French braid it only from this side. Bring it across. So you have your hair in your little ponytail again. And again, you're gonna make sure it's tight. You're gonna take the ponytail and you're going to wrap it around. What's your favorite color, Sissy?
Orange.
Orange? I thought it was yellow.
Yellow.
What kind of birthday are you gonna have?
Yellow.
You're gonna have a yellow birthday.
Yeah.
How old will you be at your birthday?
2.
You're already 2. So after you wrap it around, you're gonna loosen it again. So look down. Ooh, so again, what I will generally do, sit back up, Good job. Oh, look at the hairspray. What I will generally do, if one of them is just a little crazy, I will take a bobby pin and I'll just put a bobby pin through it. And that just makes it at least not quite as crazy. So I want them to be fun. Can you look down? I want them to be fun little buns. Like, I want them not to be like perfect buns, but I also want them to, you know, not be completely crazy. I will either put her bows here. Sometimes I put them behind because I really like the look of a bow behind the bun so that you really see. So you really see the braid and the bun. Okay, good job. Can you turn around? So then, can you look up? So that's what it's going to look like from the back. So you'll have that little bun and your braid. And then you have your braids. Again, she's 2, so these are a little crazy. Can you look down? But this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Can you say, hit subscribe? Say, give us a thumbs up. Show them your thumb. Good job. And can you say, come and join us again? Bye.